Hello, friends! Today we're going to draw and color a yummy orange with a slice. So let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw a semicircle for the orange slice, both inside and outside. Next, I draw some seeds inside the slice. Then I draw a big circle for the whole orange and add a small stem with a leaf on top. Now it's time to color. First, I use orange color for the whole body of the orange. Orange is a super juicy citrus hero, packed with vitamin C to keep you strong, fresh, and full of energy. Then, I also use orange color to fill in the seeds. Next, I use light yellow for the inside part of the orange slice. And finally, I use green for the stem and the leaf. And our shiny, juicy orange is ready. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and creative drawings. See you in the next video.